Today's video will guide you on how to quickly and easily create video scripts using ChatGPT. We're going to break down the script writing process into four simple parts: the hook, the actual content itself, the call to action or CTA, and the summary/intro. Let's dive right in. The hook is what grabs your audience's attention. It's crucial to make it engaging and relevant. Let's ask ChatGPT to help us come up with a hook for a video titled I just came up, for example, 5 Essential Tips, or without the number, Essential Tips for Amateur Photographers. So here's my prompt right here. Create a hook for a YouTube video about essential photography tips for beginners. Then hit send, and let's see how ChatGPT generates. As you can see, this is the hook that ChatGPT just came up with. Well, it depends on what ChatGPT generates. Maybe it suggests starting with a question or a surprising fact that relates to the viewer's interests and what you requested with the video that you wanted to make. This is perfect because it piques curiosity and directly addresses the viewer. Now for the meat of the script, the actual content. This is where you deliver the promise made in your hook. Let's break our topic into 7 key points. Here's what I typed in my prompt. Outline a detailed script content for beginner photography tips generated in bullet points for the 7 tips. And hit send. Just a reminder, ChatGPT will help us structure our content logically. From what it generates, it suggests discussing topics like composition, exposure, lighting, the right gear, perspective, white balance, and practice and patience. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. And now, we continue with the next segment. After delivering great content, it's time for the CTA, or as we like to call it, call to action. This is where you encourage your audience to engage further with your channel. Let's see how ChatGPT advises we frame our CTA. So here's my prompt here. Generate a call to action for my photography tips video. Then hit send. As you can see right here, this is what ChatGPT meant with the CTA. It recommends asking viewers to share their stunning shots in the comment section and even subscribe to your photography channel for more photography content. This helps increase engagement and grow your channel. Finally, the summary or outro. This is your chance to wrap up the video and leave a lasting impression. Let's get a concise and friendly outro from ChatGPT. This is what I prompted to ChatGPT right here. So here's what I prompted to ChatGPT here. Write a summary/outro for a YouTube video on photography tips. Let's see how ChatGPT generates. So as you can see right here, according to ChatGPT, it should thank the audience for watching, more so capturing the essence of this video in a neat conclusion. And there you have it. That is how you create your scripts using ChatGPT.